welcome back to Favorites with Laura. Thank you for stopping by today. If you're a returning subscriber and follower, I really appreciate you coming back to watch. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. So today is not going to be a haul. It is a collaboration with a company called Jofay, and they are on the Amazon storefront. So they sell the products there, and they are press-on nails. So I've never used the press-on nail product, so I was happy to give it a try as long as I could do an honest review, which they 100% agreed with. And their prices range, I saw they even have lower ones, but it looks like about around $5.50 on up. And they were happy enough to send me 5 sets of nails to try. So I am going to switch my camera to above and show you looking downward at the table and able to show you with both my hands all their products and what comes in each set of nails. But they are 24-piece sets. They come with also a glue, a liquid glue, as well as the sticky tabs to make your nails temporary. So if you're like me, I like to switch my nails out a lot. I've used all kinds of different nail products in the past. I love doing my own nails. I don't have time to go out, so it's something I could do while I'm in the evening watching TV or on a weekend. And I'm happy to try these press-on nails because I've never tried them before. And I like the temporary option, so you could use the glue and have them last, they say, up to 3 weeks. Some of them maybe a little shorter, some a little longer, depending on how rough you are with your nails. So I'm not the most dainty, gentle, graceful person. I just live my life, and sometimes that means I'm a little rough on my hands. So anyway, I like the temporary fix too, and so that's what I put this set on. This is a matte finish almond shaped nail. Now, it's not the longest that they offer, but for me, this is pretty long. So after this demonstration, I'm probably going to shorten them a little bit because I do have to type at work, you know, on the keyboard. So, but I love them. Oh my gosh, I put these on last night, and I am going to switch to above the table so I have my hands free and I can show you the products up close. But these are on temporary. They are very strong. They don't even bend. And I love how they're tapered. So they have a tapered at the cuticle. It's tapered thinner. So it doesn't even like, they look really good as far as I can tell. So when I show you on the other angle with the camera, you're going to see a little closer up view of it. And you can be the judge and make your own decisions. But I'm going to have everything in my description box below. The links to their site through Amazon. And I have 5 sets they were happy to send me. I went with a short set. I went with a coffin style. I went with almond shaped. So I'm trying everything. And again, I think so far, I mean, if these last 3 days being temporary, that's great. And then I can swap them out. But what's also nice is these are reusable. They're very sturdy. Like if I pulled them off now with the sticky on there, I could save them in the case and reuse them at a later date as long as they're not damaged. And I don't see anything happening to these nails. Now I've showered, I've washed, I put them on last night, and I'm done all that today, and there's nothing loose. I just love them. I love them. I wish I could leave them long all the time because I do like the look. But I don't know how girls do them with these long nails or longer because there's a lot of lifetime activities that these long nails just, I don't know, it takes practice, doesn't it? So with that said, I'm going to show you the products up close. Okay, so first I want to show you this set. So this is the set I put on last night, and it's not in focus. So let's get this in focus. There we go. So this is the set I put on last night, and it is a matte almond shaped set. Let me see right there. Okay, so I love this set, and I think it came out so pretty and it looks so good. In this set, every set you get, you're going to get what you need to do it with. So once I open it up, so on the back, let me just show you on the back, they give you some quick directions on how to do it. You this picture here, you just really want to make sure you get your margin closed down to the cuticle, and these are very thin, so you can do that. And in this set, I kind of packaged it back up so you could see it, but there's all the nail choices, 24 pieces to choose from and sizes. And it has the light color one, which I did on this one. And then it has the pattern. Now they're all a little different, so I love that variety with it. And then the solid pink colors. So beautiful. And then you do get, I don't think this tells, it's just a little card how to use the press-on nails. So it is very small writing. I could not even see that with my glasses, so I don't know how. But I do love the pictures, and if you've done anything with your nails before, I'm going to go and tell you what you need to do, but you have this as a reference also. And then you could also go onto their site. Again, the link will be below in the description box. So with that, you get these lint-free cloths. So the first thing you want to do is kind of make sure you wash your hands, clean up all your nails, use a nail brush if you have to. And it comes with, I'm just going to get everything out of here. Comes with a glue bottle. I have not opened this yet because I used the other, but it looks like you would have to snip off the tip of that. Then it has these lint-free cloths, which are great because you don't want any hair when you're doing it. But this is if you want to use some fingernail polish, you would take it off of your natural nails, whatever you got on, and that just keeps it so you don't get any fuzz left on your nails. Then you kind of want to shape your nails underneath if you want, and just rough up your nail a little bit, just a little bit. You don't need to damage your nail bed, but you want it a little rough so that it can adhere. And then the next thing, or before you do that, you want to make sure you push cuticles down and back, because that's going to give a smoother surface for these nails to adhere to. And you're going to do all that. Make sure you have everything cleaned up, but that tool is what that's for. And I did use that, and I pushed all my cuticles back. Then you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. You get 20 of these stickers in various sizes, and they are covered, so it's a two-sided piece of sticker. What you want to do is, if you're going to use these are the temporary ones, or you can use the glue if you want it more permanent and to last a little longer. But I didn't. I wanted to be able to switch my nails out a little sooner than that. You would find the right size, match up which sticker is going to fit better for your nail. You want to make sure it goes edge to edge, so that when you do pick out your nail, you're going to have full coverage of the sticky pad. Now, if you're using the glue, you would put it all on the nail. And then, first of all, though, before you do any of that, you want to size up which nail top is going to fit. Now, that, of course, would not fit. You don't want to go over your margins. You want to make sure it goes just there. That's exactly the same one I just used. And make sure you push it down all the way to cuticle when you get ready to stick it on. And that's it, everybody. And then if you use the glue, you want to hold it after you put it on for about 10 seconds. Make sure that it gets time to adhere, and that glue gets pushed all the way around, and you don't have any voids or areas of the nail bed that didn't get any of that glue on it. And the same with the stickers. So when I put the stickers on, I held it. And it's nice to do these at night, because that gets time for it all to set and to adhere. So you do want to do that. I think doing it at night is the better way to do it. Now, I have a funny nail down here because it did get hit when I was a little kid. And what's nice about it is I always have trouble with doing this one nail. And it's kind of freaky looking, so turn away if you don't like to look at it. But it's kind of freaky looking, and I was able to get it to fit on that. So I'm very happy with that. That is this set. I'm going to try to get it better focus for you so you can see it all. See my freaky nail in there? I'm super happy with this color. I love these. So that is that set. I'm going to push that aside right now because I want to show you the other sets up close. These are the coffin-shaped ones, a little bit more square looking, which I do like also. And I just love how it has that clear opening right there. And the blue is really pretty. Beautiful colors, and that does have a gloss finish. Then I got some short ones. The shorter one set, and they are new chic. Same thing on the back. You get a little quick look to it. Contoured fit. Tapered cuticle, which is nice to have that cuticle fit. I really liked how round. Oh, I want to show you this too. Let me go back to these a little bit. So you can see how there's a little bit of give there. But I found, because I've seen other girls do these nails, and they were not these nails, but other nails, press-on nails. And when they're checking out nails, they're trying to see how strong they are. These are very strong, and I'm telling you, you're going to be happy with them. They do give on the arch there, but the long way, they're pretty darn strong. So I wanted to get some short ones here, and I liked how short these look. So I think that's going to be a good length for me, just a little bit above my nail. So I like that. I'm going to do those probably next. And then here's two more pair. So they sent me this pair. And I thought those are pretty too. I'm going to have to show you this a little closer up if I can. If I can get the box open. There we go. Not used to my nails. So they're a little bit longer than I'm used to. Okay. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little rhinestone right there on the edge. Not on those two pieces. So it varies. And I think maybe if I take this off, you can see a little bit better. How come it's not really focusing too great? There we go. Those are very pretty, very pretty. Again, with the square edge, it's more of a coffin look, and I just think those are going to be so pretty. High gloss, love that. Love that. Lots to choose from. Let me just see. Now these are a little thinner. Oh my gosh, that is a pretty nail. Yep. Yep, I like those. Just let it sit in there so you can see. Yeah, those are going to be pretty. But I love how they have the variation with the rhinestone on there. So pretty, so pretty. And then, of course, it came with everything here again. The glue, the stickers, the nail file, the cuticle pusher. Everything you're going to need to do this set. You don't need to buy anything extra to get these done. No glue, nothing. It's all included. So this has everything. You're not going to have to buy everything else to go with it if you didn't have it. So these have, like, I like to call it like an orange sherbet. Perfect for summer. A little floral design with a splash of color in there. It's got like the grid white print right there and some more and a floral there. So I thought these would be pretty, and I hope you will too. So if you like these, take a look at them. The links will be below and you can check them out. They have a lot to choose from. So I do know they have some different discounts going on, so have fun. And thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider my invitation to subscribe and hit the little bell, and you'll be notified when I have a new video go up. Thank you.